GYPSY is an easy carry and storage advertising table with power charging function. GYPSY can act as advertising media for product or event promotion purpose. GYPSY provides 6 pieces of 3 different kinds of charging connectors. No matter is Lightning, Type-C or micro USB, all can be charged. It can always provide the advertising message with power charging to customer in anywhere. The installation of GYPSY is simple. Secure tight pole on both top plate and base plate. Insert tension cloth. Joint the top plate and base plate together. Insert tension cloth into the pit around the top and base plate. Power connection. You can install GYPSY safely and easily in less than 10 minutes. By use of GYPSY, there is easy and convenience for promote and advertise, no matter in events, cinemas, shopping malls, clubs, or anywhere.